An Australian court may soon decide the fate of the world's top-ranked tennis star in a case that sparked a renewed debate about vaccine mandates in sports and beyond.
I think if it's our rule, it's our rule. That's it. No jab, no play.
In my opinion, I'd side with the Australian court and kick him out of the country.
I don't necessarily have a personal opinion on, people being vaccinated or not, but I do believe that when a state has rules, then they should be for everybody.
People in Melbourne were united in support for the Australian government a day before Novak Djokovic heads to the law courts, which will determine whether he can play on the courts at the Australian Open. Djokovic was granted a medical exemption for a visa to compete for his 21st Grand Slam title without being vaccinated for COVID-19. But that wasn't good enough for border officials, who canceled his visa after he touched down. Djokovic says in court documents that immigration officials signed off on a quarantine-free arrival into Australia on the grounds that he had recently recovered from COVID. Now, his lawyers say he tested positive on December 16th. That was a day before he posted these photos appearing in public maskless, though it's unclear whether or not he knew he was infected. Now, the Australian government is arguing there is no such thing as an assurance of entry by a non-citizen, meaning it was never guaranteed that his exemption would be accepted. Instead of training, Djokovic has been confined to his room in an immigration hotel, where outside fans cheer for his release. In Serbia, where he's a national hero, the Djokovic family hit back at Australia's defense. The Serbian Prime Minister has said her government is in positive talks with their Australian counterparts and have managed to supply the star with exercise equipment and gluten-free food.
We empathise with the situation we currently have and are working closely with Novak and his team.
In a leaked internal video, tournament organisers address the deportation drama this weekend.
There's a lot of finger-pointing going on and a lot of blaming going on, but I can assure you our team has done an unbelievable job and have done everything they possibly could according to all the instructions that they have been provided.
Tennis Australia says it will reveal more information once the lawsuit is complete. Caryn Ceolin, CityNews.